Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Thursday, July 7th, 2016, and we are at 2722 Northeast, 2722 Southeast 19th Street in Gresham. And we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line, and as you can see, we're outside of the home. We're actually on the front porch. There's our front door right there. Right in front of the front porch in the ground here is our clean out. It is a 3-inch ABS line. Let's go ahead and drop our camera on in there and see if we can't get that pointed in the right direction. There we are. Let's zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. That way we'll know how far we've gone, and we'll begin our push all the way out to the city main. A couple of quick notes about today's inspection. This home was built in 2007. And we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built around the same time. So I do expect to see all modern material all the way out to and probably including in the street. Currently we're inside of a black plastic ABS line, a 3-inch in diameter. And this is what I would expect to find for this vintage of home, although it's not that uncommon to find PVC line as well. Black plastic, black ABS is a plastic rather. Standing water there. Let's back that up just a little bit. Not that uncommon to find a pool of standing water inside of a pipe at the bottom of a drop. Here we are dropping down probably 3 feet or so into a change in angle, probably to more horizontal, and we have I would guess about 7 or 8 feet of standing water, which is less than ideal. So we may end up recommending someone check that out, but let's go ahead and continue on. But before we do, we'll make note that we have changed to a green colored material. We'll notice this is at 35 feet, that is. This is known as 3034 PVC. That transition happened someplace inside of that area where we were in standing water. Let's go ahead and continue out. 3034 is also a modern material, commonly used in new construction today. Couple of other quick notes since we're here. You'll notice I do have some water running, and that's what we're seeing coming up here now. And the reason I run water is so we can see the very thing we were just looking at inside of that standing water there. Let's see if we can clean the lens off. And eventually all that reaches what we're looking into right now at about 59 feet. What we see here is the city main, that is the main line in the street. And we did have some standing water, as we talked about a little bit, back at around 30 feet or so. I'm going to pull the camera back and mark that in the yard so that we can see if there's any kind of repair that needs to be made. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video now, and I'll defer my final comments to the written report. Thank you very much.